Anything about Ashaiman, you know, say it's me. I put my life down for my city. If I know they do nothing self for Ashaiman self, the fact say I they boast my chest say I be a Ashaiman boy. Where the time where me I come tell them say I be a Ashaiman boy, no. That time people not be proud of Ashaiman. That time they tell say community 13. We will call ourselves community 13. By the time God start bossing me, no, I represent. So these things for the stop. I no go cheer for this life inside.
Bravo medasi. Attention for near soldier for ye pia ibedichi near the aba. Na ya de banswa ese sampa abiti na beto near the ba. Yanko can you be eka yese. Ye ya ni ama proof. Me pacho University Foundation is so saying odi for back to back be show semeko. Na be show semeko a. Aha. Attention TV. Na me da support God's Revelation Ministry no. Me ami nia Beam Nation. Beam Nation of Ashaiman. No, you get to boy American. Now, when I react to make a comment about so you have 4 bombs, a boom for Ashaiman. I don't know. Not just a be innocent. Wabe blasting Mukunso Janino. And yeah, Beam, hold a menoya dream. So blasting. What blast here to the sense, Ojuan and Chassis. And no. And a beam we no sanka cheso ja for say e be innocent beam e be innocent yene sana den chobwase e be innocent and nam court major ma ama wo ni ntimi ma final judgment da e na de wa tra court no mo da so di o man na duane wo ye innocent ko tena Ashaiman ye den e be ka so ukọ ho ye den ukọ ho e ko ye den ni American say beam we nye innocent asem e man ye bomb no ma ye bomb bi mu ya sa aben shu semeko because semekra na meto na sankwa sesema koso a ne ya twimi mpira esi ya kame bi mu agwai cherere ne American say bim ko oye Ashaiman kinkon ko na we na soja for be o ana ko slap permission for soja for say you bring all the bad boys together na wonu o nkasa na o social media so bim ukura kwa soja for ye be nante wa chikakra ma wo be sra wo nai ba ko e ya wo ya me fanka wo ya bim na ba ye ndi nkaye be se wo sanka che soja for say be innocent e be yesi ni be yesi soja for they do before complain na be mu refi e be onamfo e from do before complain nti be be etuni de bim e futu be enu abama won fa just we Ghana ye nyina one of the biggest music brand but so ka che soja for so o consider the consideration nothing consideration be etumi ba bim and na make us Beam Nation because we go Beam video no fire or the man Ashaiman for go video
anything about Ashaiman, you know, say it's me. I put my life down for my city. If I know they do nothing self for Ashaiman self, the fact say I they boast my chest say I be a Ashaiman boy. Where the time where me I come tell them say I be a Ashaiman boy, no. That time people not be proud of Ashaiman. That time they tell say community 13. We will call ourselves community 13. By the time God start bossing me, no, I represent. So these things for the stop. I no go cheer for this life inside. I just want reason. So I want add somebody where he want comment something. The soldiers too, no. These soldiers are my people. Me, everybody where know me where they hear my Kofi Mole, big up yourself. Everybody where know me, know say me if I don't sing music, you see my face like this. Soldier man be oh. If I not sing music where God knows say I can do music, it be army. Because me, my brothers, my cousins, because to my cousin, Major Satekla, be major. Which level? So that people, I guess soldiers, my sisters are married, 2 of my sisters are married to soldiers. So me and the soldier family, the whole Ghana, if military they love somebody passer, it be me that they love me. Because me, they know say if I get 3, You understand? But if we go they move like this, it's not good. Ati, if we they move like this, it's not good. You know, beating people, molesting people, back and forth. Person will not do nothing. They buck Panam, where they slap them, they beat them. Which level? Make you go carry you go war. Make you go boss gun. You go they beat normal people. For what reason? Every day go to say, oh, Ashaiman, Ashaiman, Ashaiman. Meanwhile, be you your love life. Your love life. Your love life where you Sebi, see, if you understand, many people, they do many things about relationship. Hey, my Lord. Somebody they collect for, somebody in there, they big up as and big up. Share, obi or real one side, the G and the year to share love. It's no people say, love no the Italy, a working. Love no a working, a understanding is working. What I say? Who couldn't pass it? They say, so Jama, who so who can him say again, oh boy. Soldier, bis again and again in Kano, and I guess some Kano crana. Say, we are seeing a woman, a simple life, simple world, though. Say, crano. Oh, my Lord. Sabio, yenu anumo, dan paribo. Amu pram famudi. Nanka, yewo odomu na ye nti ho ase enya fa wudi nkika no kure. Sisters ni bo wa omu no sabio no kure de bakopo. Omu nya ya nka. Anya easy ma omu so nya nka omu so ombe 4 5 say their brothers no. Mo so mo any job say me ma capture who girls be 1,000. Sisters no so bi omu nya ombe mo girl be 1,000. Na competition ni kwa na memu na you say na that here. Into understanding. So that like you for know. Say, if I ask the woman, and women to sometimes tell the truth, Masa, you don't know. Oh, Sebin pregnant, I shall crawl, dog, crass, street, crass, we had no crack, and a kunkuya on the idea. Chaka, big up yourself. The soldier, them, you know, be all soldiers where they go on like that. You know, sometimes soldiers get hot blood, so they move. But if you not do like that, you soldier where you go the community, somebody kill somebody. If you separate you for say, okay, who did that? Help to arrest the person.
As you go Bim Nation or Dream Ashaiman boys. But who I tell me say no we are one yard here. As you for Mr. Sebima Karamutino, Muntibim, Chedidin. Others as if I die today, I am hero. Bim, Sankrovua. So you know a hero, it is almost bunker for ma. Yep, your mom will really fit to read him. Not on Tom. I attend TV. Once some of you feel born in Unamisha, that's my ground.